Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Akshay, and in today's episode of Power Apps Component Framework series, we are diving into the world of design, specifically how to make your PCF control look clean, professional, and production ready using Microsoft's Fluent UI. If you've followed the series so far, you have already built your first PCF control and added two-way binding. Now it's time to upgrade the UI with Fluent UI components. So let's jump in. Here's what we will be learning in this video. First, what Fluent UI actually is and why it's a fantastic fit for PCF. Next, we will install Fluent UI and import components into our project. Then we will swap our raw HTML input with a polished Fluent UI text field. And finally, we will preserve full two-way data binding while styling everything with ease. By the end of this video, your PCF control will not only work, it will look amazing. So what is Fluent UI? Fluent UI is Microsoft's official React component library. It's the same design system you see across Microsoft Teams, Outlook, SharePoint, and more. It comes with packed and pre-styled accessible and production-ready components. No need to design or theme everything from scratch. That makes it a perfect companion for PCF, especially when you're building with React. So instead of creating custom styles and worrying about spacing, colors, fonts, accessibility, you can focus purely on the logic and Fluent UI takes care of the polish. Let's break down what we are going to build in this episode. We will take the control we built in episode 4. Remember the plain HTML input box? We will replace it with Fluent's TextField component. We will maintain our two-way binding so input flows to Power Apps and vice versa. And we will add styling options using just a few props. The final result? A visually polished, interactive and fully responsive control that blends seamlessly into the Microsoft ecosystem. Let's get started with the installation. In your terminal, run npm install @fluentui/react. This pulls in all the core Fluent UI components you will need. It works out of the box with React, is optimized for performance, and is super lightweight, perfect for PCF which require your bundle to stay lean. Now let's replace the old input element from our hello world.tsx file. Instead of using basic HTML input, we will import and use the text field component from Fluent. Here's what we will use. This component does so much more than the native input. It comes with accessibility features, labels, theming support, and consistent styling baked right in. One of the best part of Fluent UI is how customizable it is. Let's say we want to tweak how our text field look. We don't need external CSS. Just use the styles prop. Check this out. With this, you can control layout, color, padding, and responsiveness, all in a clean and maintainable way. Plus, it supports light and dark themes automatically. Now here's the magic part. Even though we have replaced the visual component, the two-way binding logic still works exactly the same. The onChange event still updates our internal value. Notify output change function tells Power Apps something changed. Get output function pulls the latest value and returns it. This means you get all the benefits of a modern UI without sacrificing functionality. So yes, logic untouched and visuals upgraded. Let's test it out. Run the following commands: npm run build, npm start watch. Now go to your browser-based test harness and type in the Fluent text field. You will see the greeting update in real time, just like before, and Power Apps will show the new value in the right side panel. That's it, fully functional, fully styled. Let's recap what we have done in this episode. Installed Fluent UI, used the text field component inside our PCF React control, preserved full two-way binding, upgraded our UI without writing any CSS. Your component is now clean, professional, and ready for real-world use. This is how we bring form and function together in Power Platform. What's next? In the next episode, we will take this a step further and build a Fluent UI drop-down component from scratch. You will learn to populate options dynamically, capture the selected value, and return that value in Power Apps with styling and a great UX. So if you're enjoying this series and learning something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Innovation doesn't stop at functionality, it starts where the code meets creativity. Thank you for tuning in. You have just leveled up your PCF skills. Can't wait to see you in the next video where we take it a step further.